Majin Buu has now made it clear that the battery he thought was for the iPhone 17 Air is actually for the iPhone 17 Pro. He said that there would be two different types of batteries, one for models with a SIM card tray and one for models without one. Majin Buu said that the information I gave yesterday was wrong because I didn't talk to my source clearly. He recently shared pictures of the iPhone 17 Pro battery, which is shaped like a L and is made of steel. In these pictures, you can see two versions, one made for the US market and one made for the Chinese market. Each one is tailored to its own tech setup. A motherboard placed horizontally at the top seems to be the best way to arrange the parts inside. Apple is once again using a steel battery case, which was first seen on the iPhone 16 Pro and has a number of advantages. More efficient internal assembly, better thermal dissipation, and longer-lasting structures. It fits with a smaller logic board because it is an AL shape. The main difference between the two models is whether or not they have a SIM tray. The Chinese version has a space just for it, but the US version doesn't. This lets the battery be a little wider. The module's welded edges show how well it was made, and rumors say that Apple is using new adhesive materials to make it easy to replace the battery. Majin Buu already said that the Chinese model has room for the SIM tray while keeping the general L shape. The US form is a little wider because the tray is not included. Official information about charging speeds has not been released, but the steel case suggests better heat control, which could allow faster charging similar to what was seen in the iPhone 16 Pro. Apple is still working on these batteries for the iPhone 17 Pro, which is set to come out in September 2025. They are currently in the test stage. The pictures that were leaked show how Apple's hardware approach is changing, especially with the use of steel cases and battery configurations that are specific to each market. More and more people are looking forward to the start in September 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.